my beauty junkies, welcome back to my channel. I have a natural makeup look on my face that you see right now with the Zodiac palette. People said it couldn't be done, but yes, these colors are wearable, guys. You want to get into this look using the Zodiac palette, stay tuned and keep watching. I really loved how everything turned out. It's super simple, super easy, and for people who are freaking out about this palette, this is a very much a wearable look, as you can see. And again, super easy. Everyone was freaking out about this palette because they couldn't see naturalness in this, and this is what I got only using this. And the shimmer, of course, look, again, so natural, the colors. I adore Colourpop for so many reasons, and this palette is literally one of my favorites. Thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for any notification, any videos I come out with, you'll know. And please subscribe so you can watch me anytime. Take care, guys. I will catch you guys next time. Bye.